Unique hobbled fold design, the best choice for beauty and practicality. Unfolding gradually, layer upon layer. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Hobbled fold Roman shades make your windows feel like works of art.